In this video, I'm going to show you the importance of properly tagging your videos on YouTube to get more clients, get more views, and to go ahead and make sure that your videos are showing up at the top of search results. So diving straight into it, this right here is a video that I did. It's called How to Eliminate the I Don't Have Money Objection. And it's obviously a very specific niche thing. And one thing that's quite interesting that I want you to consider as a whole as you're continuing to grow your coaching business and do all this. Yes, of course, a lot of views are great. If you're charging $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 plus for your coaching, because you don't need a lot for it to be solid, right? And people think, oh my gosh, I only got 100, 500 views. That video tanked. If you have 500 people that are actually qualified and solid people that may buy your product, that's fairly solid, because even if 1% of those people convert, you're talking 5, if you'll sell a $10,000 program, that's $50,000 revenue that could have came from that. So circling back to it, making very specific niche topics is something that can be very beneficial for you. Obviously, make sure that it's videos attached to your ideal client, the ones that they find valuable. So as I was speaking to a bunch of coaches, there's a bunch of them that say, look, I get on calls and I just have people that they say they don't have money. They don't have anything like that. Or I don't know how to overcome it. So what did I go ahead and do? I made this video, okay? And in full transparency, you can see I'm in the process, early stages of really growing my YouTube following. I'm excited for if you're watching this in the future and you see hundreds of thousands, millions of people, now you can see where it all started. As of right now, though, I have 127 subscribers. It's not a lot. I posted this video 2 days ago, and I only got 17 views. So it's not like I'm really getting a crazy amount of views. It's not like my channel is massive or anything like that as of right now. The reason why I'm making this video, though, is to, as I said before, make sure that your videos are showing up on top of Google, number one. Number two, that also leads to you obviously getting more views and more sales. Now, what do I mean by this? What I mean is that the number one search engine used is Google. The number two search engine is YouTube. So why is this important? Because whenever somebody is looking to learn anything, they're going to go ahead and most likely look up Google. And the thing you have to also remember that Google owns YouTube. So when you go in and you look up for a Google search, because YouTube in its association, the fact they own it, they will go ahead and throw that a lot more. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an example. Guys, I have 127 subscribers. I have 17 views. There's no reason why my video should go ahead and be on one of the top ones. Typically, it's the people that get a lot of traffic or anything like that. I think we could all agree to that. And the thing that I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about is this tool right here. It's called vidIQ. So you guys can go ahead and download it. You have to go to the Google Chrome store. It's called vidIQ Vision for YouTube. I'll actually include the link down here in the description. And what it does is it breaks stuff down for you in regards to analytics and also the setup and SEO of your video. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today. So you see vidIQ SEO score. You see that there's two parts of it. There's actionable and then there's performance. Performance is more in the fact of how many people are actually clicking on this, what's the relevancy of it, which don't get me wrong, you definitely want to try to get up, but it's not as important. You'll see I have a 0, which isn't good by any stretch of imagination, but that's not the biggest thing that I want to show you. The biggest thing is actionable, because this is what you can control. So as you're making these videos, you want to go ahead and make sure this is maxed out every single time. And now the way that you go ahead and max it out, you'll see here 5 out of 5 tag count. That's just the amount of tags that you put on your videos, right? So when you go ahead and you scroll down here, you'll notice you have all of these different tags that are essentially put in the back end of YouTube that this is what I'm speaking about in the video, okay? So that's number one. You want to have as close to this 500 character limit as you can in order to get a 5 out of 5 for tags, okay? The next one you want to do is go ahead and do tag volume, okay? The volume of the tags. Next one here, you have keywords and title, okay? So you want to make sure you have specific keywords that people will look up, okay? Eliminate I don't have money objection, okay? That's one. And then keywords in description, so same exact thing, and then tripled keywords. So what does all this mean? So ideally what you want to have in order to get the most SEO, and by the way, you're sitting here, you're 4 minutes in, you're like, okay, what's the point of this, Chris? I'm going to show you how. The fact that even though I don't have a lot of subscribers, how I'm still showing up very high on Google, and it'll only continue to get better. So coming back here, keywords and title. Some keywords that I have is money objection. I don't have money. Eliminate money objection, right? You can see it right here on the different ones I have, right? Eliminate I don't have money objection. I don't have money objection. Money objection handling. Eliminate objections. I don't have money objection handling. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris. A lot of you leave comments and send DMs to me telling me that you need help. Do me a favor. I'm going to tell you the best way to get a hold of me. Shoot me a text message right now at 949-990-5808. Once again, that's 949-990-5808. I'll help you with whatever you guys need. I got your back. Let's get back to the video. Right, so you're doing this, and the ideal scene of what you want to do is you want to make sure that the certain keywords, the certain phrases that people are going to be looking up on Google, you put inside of your title, you have it inside of your description, and you have it also in the tags right here. Now, Chris, why is this important? Because as you go ahead and you get the actionable score up to 50, which, by the way, keywords in title, keywords in description, triple keywords. Triple keywords means that it's in the title, description, and tags. Okay, when you have these things set up like this, now look at this. I'm going to go ahead. I opened up Safari. I don't use Safari. I opened up a private browser so it doesn't track any sort of cookies. It doesn't do anything like that. I'm going to close it. Open up a new private window. I'm going to say how to overcome the I don't have money objection. Like if I were wanting to understand, okay, how do I overcome it? And I'm doing a very specific keyword. Obviously, this will vary per video, per topic, right? As of right now, I'm not necessarily sitting here on the top of this yet. The thing that I want to show you though, when I click on videos, which is honestly what I typically do, I don't necessarily as much have the patience or desire sometimes to go ahead and watch, read articles. If you come here, you have Jeremy Miner. Look, like we're here, open a new private window. Let's see how many views this guy has and how many followers. Okay, so this guy has 208,000 subscribers. Okay, it makes sense that he's up on top. Okay, but I want to point out your attention. Here I am. I'm not, don't get me wrong, it's not the best of the best. But the fact that I'm on the very first page of Google, right? Eliminate the I don't have money objection. Guys, what is that? It's the same exact video that I'm showing you right now. I don't have a lot of subscribers. This thing hasn't got a lot of views. I just posted it. It will continue to get views. But I share this with you because if you as a coach are taking the time to make long form content, you want to go ahead and stack all the aces into your deck. You want to make sure the deck is stacked in your favor. Now, as you continue to do this and you make, say 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 videos, and especially as you expand this over time, what is going to happen? What's going to happen is that you're going to have a database that whenever someone looks up a keyword, something specific to your ideal client, because remember, you want to make videos that are niched towards your client, you will literally have it pop up as one of the pop ones. And the thing is that as I continue to get more followers, get more views on this video, get all of these different things, now this thing will continue to rise to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and get organic views of people on it. And the thing you also have to remember, and for all the people that we work with, we work to go ahead and do this as well. But what I'd also recommend is have a call to action somewhere here in the middle of the video. Okay, here we go. It's right here. Okay, so look, so you're watching the content. Okay, I'm going to press play here in a second. Products are really solid and you help provide value to this person, naturally they're going to continue to ascend up your value ladder and purchase your higher level stuff over time, right? Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris. A lot of you leave comments and send DMs to me telling me that you need help. Do me a favor. I'm going to tell you the best way to get a hold of me. Shoot me a text message right now at 949-990-5808. Once again, that's 949-990-5808. I'll help you with whatever you guys need. I got your back. Let's get back to the video. And so you might be asking, okay, this is really cool. Right, so that's the example. So I want you to understand that you can go ahead, if you make hundreds of videos or even just tens of videos and people are looking up specific keywords that are very niche to your target client, the things that they're struggling with, the things that they're wanting to do, your videos will show up on the first, can continue to show up on the first page. And then as you continue to grow more, you'll have more and more videos that continue to ascend higher on this. And then you have the call to action that you can go ahead and convert. So every single time someone texts me there, that is going into my CRM. That becomes a lead for me. So why in the world is this important? And how can this help? I think you can most likely put 2 and 2 together, but I want to give you a specific example. I had a client. He worked in the nutrition health space. They were generating 15 to 30 new leads every single day simply using organic. To put into perspective, it will vary based off of industry and how competitive that industry is. But I'd probably say the average cost per opt-in, if you were to go ahead and run ads or something like that, probably about $20, right? That means this guy was literally getting $300 worth of free leads on a bad day, and on a good day, he was getting $600 worth of leads. Okay? So as I continue to go ahead and just kind of drive this point home, if you're already making YouTube videos and you want to continue to make sure that your videos are showing up at the top of the search engines so that you continue to get more organic traffic, which obviously means you're getting more views, and then go ahead and taking those views to, number one, nurture your clients, but then number two, take prospects and turn them into paying clients, then this is something that you need to make sure that you're doing, because ultimately it's something very simple. And the hard part is that most people just don't understand that this is even a possibility. So with that said, that is all that I have for the video on today. If you guys did enjoy this and you would like to see more of it, go ahead and like and subscribe. If there's anything specific that you would like to have a better understanding of, go ahead and drop it down in the comments, and we'll see you guys here on the next video. Hey guys, I wanted to tell you that you are the true coaches and the real students. You made it till the end of the video. Do me a favor, share this with a friend who wants to go to another level. Also, make sure you like the video, comment below so I know who you are, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for the channel, as we will be dropping more valuable content every single day. See you soon.